Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, how do you know if your device is charging? And we have a few options how to know it. So we can check it by watch at this LED light. And right here at the bottom we have it. So if I start to charge my earbuds, right here we have this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. But also we can use an applications to check it. So open HONOR AI Space application, and now right here, if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. And right here at the charging case icon, we have this Thunderbolt icon. So as you can see, I just start to charging and we have this icon right here, and if I remove my cable, it just gone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!